Hi, my name's Ben and I'm going to be talking about what I've been working on, and this time it's some Pokemon themed artwork. This isn't mine, this is just the reference that I used. Basically I had this idea to do a project on drawing 3 Pokemon trainers, and the idea was basically just to make them look a little more sort of realistic, a bit more adult, to sort of go away from this sort of style and into something a bit more mature. So we had the one on the left, the Pokemon Go trainer, one in the middle, which was Dawn from Pokemon Pearl, I think, and the one on the right was Hilda from Pokemon Black or White. So those were the reference images. That was sort of like my starting point, and from there I then moved on to a sketch. So this was the first sketch that I did. This was the Pokemon Go trainer. So just working in Photoshop using my Wacom Cintiq tablet. And the idea was to have each trainer with their own sort of Pokemon. I thought I'd have a Pikachu with her. That's Dawn. So her idea was to put her with a sort of Piplup, although I was going to draw that on the next stage. And Hilda with her, she was going to have a Tepig. So yeah, the next stage I then got onto drawing the lines. I wanted to make the lines a little bit thinner than I normally do, just to sort of tighten it up and make it a little bit more sort of professional when it comes to sort of rendering and colouring it in. So these were the line versions. Pretty happy with them, look quite nice and neat. And these were laying down the flat tones, the flat colours, just so that I could sort of work out where everything was going. Typically I just work on a colour and sort of work my way through the different colours. So in Photoshop I'll have a layer for skin, a layer for clothing, a layer for the hat, a layer for the Pokemon, you know, every colour has its own layer basically. So I sort of systematically work through each layer to then start rendering the character. And these were the final ones, so pretty happy with these, although they did take a while. I think probably 25 to 30 hours each. So pretty laborious at times, but it's just comes part and parcel when I want to try and make things look nice and smooth and rendered really. And because I knew that they were going to sort of end up being used as prints and they weren't just little sketches for practice or anything, you know, I wanted to spend a bit more time than I would otherwise just to make them look nice and polished, and then just added a few splatter backgrounds just to finish them off. So yeah, so cheers for checking them out, and if you want to see more of my artwork you can visit bencrafter.com.